So what's going on, Ape Nation? As you already know, because I'm sure you're subbed to the channel. If you're not, by the way, go ahead and do so, because you're gonna love to watch all the content that we drop every single day. Now Monday through Friday instead of just Monday through Thursday. Anyhow, let's get to it. You need to smash that like button because you're gonna like this video, and if you like this content, of course, smash the like button. That was kind of ass backwards, but that's how we do it on this channel. Yeah, no, not really. Anyhow, my sister's here again. She's cooking banana soup, which is why I came over here to record with her, because she makes the most delicious banana soup, and oh my goodness, it's delicious. We've got a little bit to talk about today, not a whole lot, but we're going to do it very quickly, so let's get right to the topic, okay? What did I tell you guys in yesterday's video? And the video before that, and the video before that, and the video before that? Well, I believe it is this. If we get a catalyst, okay, any catalyst, okay, that we get right now, it would appear that these catalysts are going to make us explode, okay? And when I say that, I'm talking about the stocks and the share prices of the stocks that we are referencing in this video, which would be AMC, GME, and so far right now, that's it. Just AMC and GME, that's all we're talking about today. So we are going to talk about GME today. We're going to talk about why we saw a 17% move in the after hours, although I'm sure most of you are already aware, and we're going to talk about what that means for AMC just a little later on. But listen, okay, here's what's going on. GME, okay, before we can even get there, let's talk about how bad things were just yesterday. They weren't really bad. I told you yesterday in yesterday's video. Look, okay, don't be discouraged. Don't be upset. My sister had an unrealized gain of $30,000 on her AMC stock. She forgot to push the sell button on her Robinhood account. We're just kidding. She don't use Robinhood, you filthy apes. She just eats bananas all day, every single day. And so do I, because we're apes. But anyhow, she was a little disappointed yesterday. And I said, sis, don't be disappointed, because your gains will come back. They'll come back thrice-fold. Is that a word? But it's probably going to be more than thrice-fold.
I made it a word. 1, 2, thrice.
Yeah,
thrice.
yeah, okay. I kind of remember.
It's thrice, not thrice.
Yeah, that's OB trice. Something that's not even the same thing. We're talking about.
Be?
But we are dumb apes, so what the hell do we know? Look, if you want to profit like 10 or 11 fold, yeah, you need to hold on to your shares, buddy, because we're coming. We're going to straddle that rocket ship and go all the way to the moon. Now, GME today announced some news. They were talking about a stock split. Now, some other companies have done this in the recent past. We're talking about Amazon. We're talking about Googly. Okay, they both did that. Good googly moogly. They both did that. And now Tesla said something about that too. And now we've got GME as of March 31st. Is that today? As of March 31st. Okay. A regulatory filing came out March 31st, which is today, that says that maybe GME is planning, well, definitely GME is planning on doing a stock split. Now, currently, the price is around $195, and if we're talking about today's prices, we're talking about a $57 price target. Can I even call it a price target? I don't know. But that would mean that you can buy GME at around $57. The current total number of shares are about 300 million for GME, okay, that are out there. But that's going to increase the current number of shares. It's going to be about 1 billion. Now, how does this change things? Why would GME want to do this? Does it mean that your shares are changing in value, like what they're worth? Is that going to change anything? Well, no, it's not. But this is a genius idea, okay? And let me explain why. Normally, when these stocks do their little, stock splits, it's kind of like a trick, because it's really like a ploy But it means that more investors, or it means that more people are now going to be able to afford this stock because it's going to be cheaper than it would have been at, pre-split. So instead of paying $195 per share, you can now get each share for $57, after the split actually happens, which means more people are going to be piling in because more people can afford to buy. So look, a stock split doesn't actually change the value of a shareholder's stake, but what it does do is it allows more shareholders to be able to participate in the purchasing of these shares. I mean, would you rather pay $195 for a share of GameStop, or would you rather pay the $57 share price that it would be if we were talking about, today's value of $195 translating into the post-split value of $57? So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that more people, more greedy ass apes that eat bananas every single day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner are going to be buying more GameStop shares. We're going to have more participation. More people are going to be able to go to school with a yellow crayon and draw pictures for my channel.
And
you
have
guys,
bananas for lunch.
yeah, you guys still haven't sent those in, so I've got to post them on my channel if you haven't, you dirty apes. That's what
But
I'm
I still
saying.
haven't gotten 1,000 subscribers, so.
Yeah, she still hasn't gotten like 110,000.
I've just been drawing and doodling with my yellow crayon.
Yeah, by herself, because no one's
Yeah,
there to
no
join
one wants to
her.
play.
Okay, she's got like 999. We need 1,000 more. Just kidding, guys. Listen, I told you we needed to keep this short because it's. Wait, man, y'all tricked. Today is Thursday, so actually they do get. I thought today was Friday. Y'all done tricked me.
April Fools!
April Fools, you little bastards. Wait, it's not even April Fool yet. Because we were
April
so
Fool's
far
Eve.
ahead of you guys, we thought, yeah, some other shit. Anyhow, so remember in the previous videos when I told you guys all it takes is a little bit of good news? Well, 17%, okay, we're talking about GameStop, a 17% move today on the news of a stock split. Now, if we're talking about Amy, which, for those of you who don't understand, it's AMC, okay? Amy had moved down about 4% during the market hours and went up 4.5% in the after hours. I'm sure that it has something to do with GameStop's move. Okay, not GameStop, as some of you would call it. It's GameStop stock. It's a tongue twister. Don't get it wrong. So that's called a sympathy play. I've talked about it before on my channel.
A simple what?
You're confusing me. Okay,
It's
please.
called a what?
Stop.
What did you say?
A sympathy play.
Oh,
Okay?
sympathy play.
I'm so
Sorry,
sympathetic
you read
to
the words
your.
together.
Yeah, maybe because you've been freaking drinking, you asshole. She's been cooking banana soup, banana pasta, banana everything because that's all we eat in
I've
this
been
house.
cooking now.
Is
That's true.
yeah, bananas only. I got some bananas on the grill, some banana ribs, and some banana chicken sandwiches. Yeah, those are cooking too. So guys, listen. Game plan has still not changed. We're still doing the same thing. We've been cooling off a little bit because we needed to. I mean, how many days have we been running up? Okay, it can't last forever, but we will win in the end. So I told you guys a little cool down period was coming, and we kind of ended up just like, we cooled off and then we came back up to where we were after dropping. So we're kind of like still in the same place. So don't worry about that. This just gives you more of an opportunity to raise more capital, okay? Like, go get another paycheck from your job and buy more AMC shares. If you want to buy GME, that's up to you. Unfortunately, at this time, we're not invested in GME, but only because, I got to stay true to Amy. All my money goes to Amy every day. And she's not even appreciative of that, as you can see, because... she didn't even make not even a really big move today, and I was so disappointed. I was like, "Amy, come on, you gotta go higher." But listen, when she goes down on me, I love it, and when she goes up on me, I'm super excited. So I'm super excited either way, and that's my point. That's the message that I have to deliver to you guys today. We may or may not be on here tomorrow. So be happy that you have us on here today. We're going to cut this video short right now because that's all that we needed to discuss and tell you about, that GME news that just came out today that made GME move. And now Amy recovered. Not only did she recover that 4.4% move, okay, the 4% that we lost, but we recovered an extra 0.5%, an extra 4.5%. So yeah, we're doing well right now. Do not be discouraged. I'm sorry if you might have lost a little bit of money with Amy, or if you're down on Amy. I'm not going to say lost money. I mean, I lose money with Amy all the time because I pay her every day. But you're probably just down because you haven't pressed that sell button, just like my sister here. Don't be a fool and press the sell button, because that's exactly what Ken Griffin wants you to do. That's exactly what his hedge fund buddies want you to do. And we're not going to make them happy, are we? So, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, yeah, just keep watching the channel. And go back, rewatch all the videos over and over and over and over again.
Subscribe to my channel. I need 1,000
Oh,
subscribers.
my God. Yeah, look in the description below.
I don't need, I want.